Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Tumblr account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection and then open up your Tumblr app. As you open up the Tumblr app, you will land on an interface like this that will ask you to either get started or to log in. Since you've already signed up for the account, you can simply tap on login. And as you tap on login, you will now have to enter your email address that you used in order to sign up. So here I am using my email address and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can do two of these things. You can either ask Tumblr to send you a magic link to your email, or you can simply enter a password. If you remember your password, just enter your password because you won't have to go to another app to continue with the procedure. So here I'm entering my password because I remember my password, and then tap on login on the top right corner. As you can see here now, I have been logged in to my Tumblr account. So this is how you log in. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to App Guide, and also make sure that you leave comments for us in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.